Hi everyone, Joe for JaspysCaseBreaks.com coming at you with a box of Leaf Ultimate Sports, random number block number 27. We can go all the way up to number 30. We have 27, 28, 29, 30. So 3 more boxes in the cabinet. Next one's already loaded up if you want to get in on it. I know it's a Super Bowl Sunday, but I appreciate these guys getting in. And there are the numbers right there. Let's roll it, randomize it. 5 and a 5, 10 times each. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and once more, 10th and final time. There we go. Got Adam down to Trevor. And then 5 and a 5, 10 times for the numbers. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 4 down to 7. All right, Adam with 4, Eugene with 2, James with 1, Danielle with 3, Last Spot Mojo, Ed with 0, Trevor with 8, Ed with 9, Ron with 6, Trevor with 5, and 7. Let's order these numerically. And we'll pause the video just for a second, see if there's any trades, and then we'll break. So stick around. Be right back. All right, welcome back. No deals were done, so that list remains the same. Thanks everyone for getting in, especially on a Super Bowl Sunday. Who do you think is going to win Super Bowl MVP? Interesting. All right. I got the relic here. There's Rafa Nadal. Looks like 8 out of 8. That's pretty cool. Going to go to Trevor, number 8. Should be an auto. It is Ja Morant. Nice, 19 out of 25. It's a nice clean looking card there. So that's going to go by that digit right there. So that's going to go to Ed in the number 9. All right, and the last one here. Let's see what we got. Thick card, 3 out of 3, Peyton Manning. That's awesome. Danielle with the number 3 and Last Spot Mojo, and all aboard the Big Hit Express. Woo-woo! There it is, boys and girls. Nice quick little break of Leaf Ultimate Sports. Appreciate you and everyone getting in. I'll see you next time for the next Leaf break. Bye-bye.